Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Roanoke County in west central Virginia, northwestern Pennsylvania County, southwestern Bedford County, northeastern Franklin County in west central Virginia until 8:30 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Burnt Chimney, or 8 miles south of Stewartsville, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expected damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bedford, Rocky Mount, Stewartsville, Monetta, Kansas, Hubbardston, and Burnt Chimney. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. If on or near Smith Mountain Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Locally heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility, resulting in clogging of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on X. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until